So they also give you a couple spare pieces in case they fall down or something like that. So let's go ahead and get a close-up here of what we got going on. Let's pick up this piece. So this piece goes on the outside, not on the inside, and this kind of protects from that sharp edge that you would have got cut on. So that goes underneath in there, and that way as you're walking around, this is still kind of sharp, but it's beveled. Otherwise all the edges are rolled over. I don't know if you can see that. So you're fine there. Then this piece right here, this is the bracket. It just kind of holds everything together. Goes on the outside. And then on the inside you got the little spinners. And you just have to kind of play with it to get it to be nice and tight. But otherwise, that's it right there. So in less than 30 minutes, you got yourself a nice big grow bed. I already have one set up. This one's about a year old. So you can kind of see how it works. So, yep. We're happy with it.